What's up, good people? Welcome back to Princess Gardens Room Compost Center. I'm Alicia, and today we're gonna be checking in on our bin. So I know last week I didn't do a video. Well, I didn't post the video. I did it, but I forgot to post it. So one thing that I did notice is that there are mites, which we'll talk a little bit more in detail about soon. But there are mites, so I stopped using the diatomaceous earth just to see if we could figure out what's causing it. I know this bin is a little bit wetter than I typically run my bins, but it's not like super wet, so I don't know what's causing it, but we'll figure it out. I also figured out that this right here, remember we talked about this waxy piece of material that was left in here? It's the wax from the apple. So I don't really eat apples, but if you eat apples, make sure that you, I don't know if you can soak it or just peel your apple to get the, so you're not eating wax or whatever. I'm sure it's food grade wax, but still. So all right, let's go ahead and check in on our feeding zone where I fed last week. We fed in these zones over here. I see a little bit of, it's probably eggshell, maybe a little bit of cornmeal, which is fine. They're gonna work through and process all of this soon. So as they go into, they're gonna scavenge. Maven. That was Maven saying hi. So once we go through these zones, we're gonna leave them for 2 weeks without any food. So they'll come back through here and eat up all of the cornmeal and my little special mix of dry food. So let's go ahead and move this. You guys noticed that it didn't break down as well as the first time that we put that paper bag in there, which is fine. It'll break down eventually. Yes, Maven?
I see a worm.
You see a worm?
Yeah, I saw one.
Yeah, look at these guys. They're a little upset that mommy's moving them around. So they have eaten through, let me see. Oh, that's a cocoon. Yay! So they're happy. Oh, there's lots of cocoons in here, but let me just check the food. What is this? Oh my God, whatever it is, it's like lots of worms eating it. I don't know what that is. What is that?
Is it
Hold on.
cocoon?
A worm cocoon, you think?
Yeah, a cocoon.
I don't know. They wouldn't be eating it. I don't know what that is. I forgot what did I feed last week? Oh, some paper towel and like apple cores. So that's what they're eating in this little area. And you guys can see this. Maven's all excited.
Mommy,
There's so
I'm
many
not
worms.
excited. I'm nervous.
You're nervous?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because there's a lot of worms.
Yeah, there are a lot of worms. So this is paper towel right here. I don't know if you guys can see that.
Mommy.
But this is paper towel, and then this is, I don't know, some kind of skin. Oh, it might be plum or peach or like the leftover to some plum or some peach or whatever. So cool, they're eating through all that, eating through all this. Lots of cocoons, which makes me so happy. Lots of worms, which lets me know that they're adjusting well to this cocoa core. All right, let's see.
Mommy, I saw a lot of worms.
You saw a lot? Well, watch this. I think there's a lot under here too. Oops.
Ooh.
Is it? Ah, it's so many worms. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's a bunch of worms. So that makes me really happy. It lets me know that they're thriving in here. So I'm really not gonna feed them a whole lot, which is good because I was only gonna feed them some watermelon rind. Don't be mad at me, little buddy. Here's some food. So yeah, I think I'm just actually going to, oh, what is this over here? Oh, this is the orange. So let's see. I don't know if you guys can see all the way. So we're right here. This is one of those little, yeah, they're not really eating that.
I see a worm.
Yeah, I don't think they like this as much, so I'm gonna take it out. And that was just one of those little baby oranges that they have that went bad. Okay, cool. So everybody is doing good. Everybody's feasting and happy. We like that. Cool. So what we're gonna feed them today is I'm just gonna put how do I want to do this? Because today I'm just gonna be feeding them this frozen watermelon, which they're gonna love. So I'm just going to put, because I also have plum, so I'm gonna put that in there, cover it up nice and good. They're liking that a lot. And then this is like nectarine or something. So I'm gonna just, what I'm gonna do, oh, there's a lot of sorghums right there too. Yay, I'm glad they're doing so well. So yeah, perfect. So we got them in here, got their food covered up, and then we're gonna put this watermelon just right here in the center of this same feeding zone. Sorry to disrupt y'all, but just because I don't want to move over here just yet until we're ready to give them actual feeding in that area. So this is gonna help to finish off some of the cocoa core that's in here. It's like making some steam. Well, it's not steam, but you know. Okay, so we got our watermelon in here. I'm gonna cover it up good. As you guys can see, there's not a whole lot of gnats in here. I see one that I just killed, and now he can go and feed the worms with his little body. There's not really any gnats in here. I don't want to say none because, of course, we don't want to say none because there are some. But there's hardly any gnats because we have things covered up really, really well. Another thing that watermelon is gonna do is it's going to add moisture into the bin, and it's also gonna attract the mites that are in here. You know what I should have done? Dang, my bad, y'all. Sorry, I forgot to add some eggshells so that they can process through this watermelon quicker. No, baby, I'm just gonna sprinkle it like this. So we're just gonna add that in with the watermelon, put a little bit in the cocoa core, just a little bit, and then we'll cover it up so that way there's a worm on there. That way they can process through it quicker and easier. And it's just chilling, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
It looks like a couch.
Oh, if you guys can hear that bubbling in the back, I'm in the process of making candles, so I'm multitasking. So I'm gonna add just a little bit of water. Ooh, a little bit of water to our brown paper bag, just so that it can break down better. And then we're done with this feeding. The worms are looking good, healthy. They're moving well, vivacious. They're a little feisty guys. Leave it alone, baby. But yeah, I don't want to add too much water because I know that watermelon is gonna moisten things up pretty well in here. So yeah, our little community bin is doing fantastic, and that makes us happy, right, May?
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you guys have questions, let me know. If you guys have bins at home, let me know how they're doing. Any issues that you might be running into, any successes or things that you're excited about, add them down in the comments. We love to hear about it. So I will talk to you all next week, and we'll check in on the bin then. Talk to you guys soon. Peace.
Peace.